Hi everyone, welcome back to AnderSTEM. Another project we're going to be doing today is a simple paper circuit. What you'll need, I have a little template right here and some of the supplies that we'll need. Scotch tape. And I've already pre-measured this adhesive copper tape, which is a conductive material. So I'll match my template. Coin cell battery, which will go right there. LED. And paper clip. All right, so first things first, start by taking your copper tape, matching it up along the template line. Let me stand the other way so you can see this. I like to take an eraser from a pencil to smooth it over because it's really important to, first of all, have clean hands so you don't interfere with the conductive material. But when you're peeling this off, it's really easy to get it crumpled up. So I just like to start with the tip, fold that back. And then I want to make sure that it's lined up nice with the template. Okay, so now that I've got one edge kind of stuck to the template, I'm just going to take the eraser here. With my other hand, I'm going to follow the copper tape while I'm peeling back that material, and run back over it so it's nice and smooth. Okay, so you see there are little crinkles in there. I like to go back over that with the eraser to smooth it down and to make sure that's nice and flat, which will help the conductivity. And the same thing with the other side, which is good. We're going to use as the positive connection. I'm going to line it up again and get ready. Make sure that these do not cross. So I'm going to just move that a little over and then let's take that side down so it's stuck and ready to peel back, and just go all the way to the end. All right, I'll smooth back over this to make sure it's nice and flat. Alrighty, so now we have our positive and negative, and we're going to take our LED. Remember that the long leg is the positive, the shorter is the negative. So I'm just going to gently bend those and make them do a split. And here I have a little spot where I have on my template where I'm going to put the LED. Now I'm going to want to make sure that's pressed down and look closely by the side that those arms are actually really touching the copper tape, that there's a good connection. And on top of that, you are going to take some Scotch tape like this because you can see through it. Students can see the connection, and just kind of split it in half. So one side here, I'm gonna make sure that's taped down really good. And same on the other side. Nice and fastened. So you can see a little bit closer that those legs, those LED legs are on top of the copper tape, and I've used Scotch tape on top of those LED legs, hold them in place. Okay, now it's time we can put our battery, just measure that, shiny side up, positive side, And hopefully when we bend this over, make a connection. And you have power. So we've tested that connection, that works. Now I've kind of dotted this line along here. And what I like to do is to use a square edge to kind of just bend or crease that line when we're folding it over. So if the copper tape gets too warped, it really makes for a bad connection. All right, so now we're ready to put the battery back in place. Okay, so we have our paper circuit active and ready to go. Now, if we were to fold this in half, this flip side, my name. I'm going to return my coin battery. In this case, I could use a paper clip. And a light up name tag. All right, intro to paper circuits. Have fun.